So, hello, may hapon. So, igsuon mo ning Kimberly. Ikaw pila ka?
Ikaduha.
Ikaw ikaduha. So, asa mas Kimberly ron?
Nasa amo.
Okay. So, anyway, this is for you. 1 box of 뿌또치즈 from Doksurenim.
Doksurenim, 감사합니다.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Teacher Lance. So, Riami?
Riami.
Riami is your student.
Yes.
So, as of now, she is in the school. So, anyway, Teacher Lance, can you receive this one for Riami? 1 box of 뿌또치즈 from SG
SG name, 감사합니다. For Riami.
Okay, thank you, Teacher Lani. 안녕하세요, Rolanda.
안녕하세요.
Doksurenim sent to you 1 box of 뿌또치즈.
doksurenim, 감사합니다.
Next time, don't be absent, okay? Study hard. Focus your study. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Chloe.
안녕하세요.
Who is your sponsor?
Chajunim.
Oh, very good. So, can you introduce yourself in Korean?
안녕하세요. 저는 12살 초등학교 6학년 Chloe입니다. 감사합니다.
Oh, very good. So, anyway, Chloe, Chajunim sent to you 1 box of 뿌또치즈.
Uncle Chajunim, 감사합니다.
Oh, thank you. Bye-bye. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Automatic introduce yourself in Korean.
안녕하세요. 저는 9살 초등학교 4학년 입니다. 감사합니다.
Oh, very good. So, anyway, Ibib, SG name sent to you 1 box of 뿌또치즈.
선생님,
SG name.
is주님 감사합니다.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Teacher Ninya. Good afternoon. So, today, 한울사랑 name sent to you 2 boxes of 뿌또치즈 for your study room.
하늘사랑님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for the 뿌또치즈 for our study room.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, Teacher Jazz. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. So, anyway, I'm here today. I delivered 4 boxes of 뿌또치즈 for the study room from 한울사랑님.
하늘사랑님, 감사합니다.
Please, can you check how many boxes did you receive?
Check how many box? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 box.
Yes, 4
4
boxes
box of 뿌또치즈.
for the study room.
For the study room. 하늘사랑님, 감사합니다.
Thank you. Bye-bye. So, what is your name? Samantha. How about LG? LG is your sister also? Okay, anyway, Samantha. Janggunim sent 1 뿌또치즈 for your sister and also this one for LG. Janggunim. Okay, thank you. 안녕하세요, te. So, you are the auntie of Janica?
Yes.
Okay, so please, can you receive this one for Janica from Ogamdunim?
오감두님, 감사합니다.
Okay. Hello, Nay. May hapon. So, ikaw ang lola ning Kitana. O, sa Kitana ka rin to sa school? Okay, so anyway, please, can you receive this one for Kitana? 1 box of 뿌또치즈 from Yung Chulnim. Yung Chulnim. Ina lang, kamsahamnida.
감사합니다.
Okay, thank you. Kamsahamnida yung Chulnim for Kitana. Ate, good afternoon,
Hi,
teacher.
good afternoon.
Teacher Joyce is not there in the here house. So, please, can you receive this one for the study room from Buunim?
Bonim, 감사합니다 for Teacher Joyce for the study room.
Okay, thank you so much. 안녕하세요, Teacher Gretchen.
안녕하세요.
Introduce yourself in Korean.
안녕하세요. 저는 21살 그리첼입니다. 감사합니다.
Oh, very good. So, anyway, Teacher Gretchen, Noblesse name sent you 1 box of 뿌또치즈 for your study room.
노블레스님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for our study room. Stay healthy always.
Oh, 감사합니다. 안녕하세요. Okay, introduce yourself in Korean.
안녕하세요. 저는 8살 초등학교 1학년 딸입니다. 감사합니다.
Oh, very good. Okay, anyway, tell me, did your name send to you 2 boxes of 뿌또치즈?
Bujanim, 감사합니다.
And also 1 sack of rice here from did your name, and also 3 boxes of pizza. Okay.
감사합니다.
Okay, thank you. So, how many 뿌또치즈 did you receive? Pilabok poto nimo? Duha. Then, 3 bags of pizza and also 1 sack of rice from Dijunim.
Bujanim, 감사합니다.
Sa'yo, Teacher Sherilyn.
안녕하세요.
So, as of now, Chirimi she's still in the school. Okay, so anyway, can you receive this one box of Putochis for Chirimi from 라면우땅 님?
라면우땅 님.
Yes.
라면우땅 님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for Jeremy.
And also additional 500 peso cash for buying clothes here in Talmi.
So, maorga mo na. Okay. 라면우땅 님, 감사합니다.
How much did you receive?
501
And 500 is for buying clothes here for Talmi. Okay, bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Nika. Ayaw ka ulaw, Inday. Nawaw ka? Okay, sige, okay na. Oh, si SG ni hatag nimo og usa ka box nga Putochis. Sige, duwa ta. Sige na. Okay, gikan na sa ni SG name. SG name, kamsahamnida. Ay, kaulaw. Serious yung tao ni Inday, oy. Bye-bye. Hello, Mary Kate. Good afternoon. So, introduce yourself in Korean.
안녕하세요. 저는 11살 초등학교 5학년 메리킷입니다. 감사합니다.
Oh, very good. So, anyway, Mary Kate, Kids Entertainment Team name sent to you 1 box of Putochis.
Kids Entertainment Team, 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye. Hello, baby. Jaja. 안녕하세요. Ikaw. Oh, very good. So, are you okay? Really? Oh, okay. Anyway, Jaja. Chajiho name gave to you plenty of fruits. Here, come here. Come here. 1. Oh, heavy. Okay, anyway, here's the other fruits. Mangoes, grapes, mangosteen, banana, and melon, and a lot of apples. From Chaji Hunim. Okay, very good. Okay. Chaji Hunim, kamsahamnida for the fruits here. Okay, bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Gia.
안녕하세요.
So how about today your school schedule?
We're just half day.
Half day, so morning time. Okay, so anyway, please receive this one, the 2 boxes of Putochis from 개금돌이 님.
딩고도링 님, 감사합니다.
Okay, how many boxes did you receive?
2 boxes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Acher, good afternoon. Afternoon naman, no? Okay, so anyway, your student LG and Samantha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyway, please can you receive this one for LG and Samantha? Both of them 1 box of Putochis from Janggunim.
Janggunim, 안녕하세요. Thank you for the Putochis for LJ and Samantha.
Okay, very good. Thank you, teacher Joyce. Bye. Good afternoon. So where's Juppy? Juppy go somewhere. Okay, so anyway, please can you receive this one for Juppy? 1 box of Putochis from Isun Minim.
Isun 감사합니다.
Okay, thank you. Hi, teacher Ninya. Good afternoon. So Yana is still at school. So anyway, please can you receive this one for Yana? 1 box of Putochis from Kids Entertainment Team.
Kids Entertainment Team, 감사합니다 for Yana.
And also additional 500 peso cash for the pocket money.
감사합니다 for Yana.
Okay, thank you, teacher Ninya. 안녕하세요.
안녕.
So you're the mother of, and you're the daughter of teacher Lani. So teacher Lani is, where is she now?
Wala mo sa diri.
No, she's not around. Okay, so anyway, I checked the already house of Edims, but Edim's not there. So I think he goes somewhere. So please can you receive this one for Edims from Isun Minim.
Isun Minim, 감사합니다.
No, for Edims, and then just give to your mother, and then teacher Lani will take a video to Edims. Okay. Okay. So 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So you're the mother of Elizabeth.
Yes.
So Elizabeth is on the school. Okay, so anyway, you please receive this one for Elizabeth, 1 box of Putochis from Multonim.
Multonim. 안녕하세요. Multonim. 감사합니다.
Okay. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 중학년 14 중학교 1학년 사이라입니다. 감사합니다.
Okay, very good. So anyway, Saira, Victory name sent to you 1 box of Putochis.
Victory, 감사합니다.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon. So Angeline is in the school. Okay, so you're the mother of Angeline. Okay, anyway, please can you receive this one box of 뿌또치즈 for Angeline from 조송진님.
조송진님 감사합니다.
Okay, thank you, te. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, introduce yourself one by one.
안녕하세요. 저는 17살 고등학교 3학년 쉘로입니다. 감사합니다.
Oh, very good.
안녕하세요. 저는 18살 고등학교 3학년 쉘입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 19살 고등학교 3학년 준입니다. 감사합니다.
Okay, anyway, both of you one box of 뿌또치즈. One, then the other one's here from 조송진님.
Uncle 조송진님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Hello, I'm Loremel's mother. I would like to say thank you to all the sponsor like Honggomanim, Borisonim, Sir Vicky, and to all the sponsor of 막탄 channel. To all the help that you give to my family. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요. This is Teacher Jen. So I would like to say thank you to Pinokio님, Chocominim, and Motonim, to all that I received earlier. Thank you so much. 감사합니다. And thank you also for trusting me to be part of this team. I will do my best always. I will do my best always to help children in their reading and also in mathematics. I'm so happy to be part of this team as well. So thank you so much to all the subscribers, to all the sponsors, 막탄 channel. 감사합니다. And also Sir Vicky. 감사합니다. Bye-bye.
Hello, LJ and Samantha. Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, so Django name give you each one of you a box of one box for Samantha and one box of LJ 뿌또치즈 from Django name. Receive.
Uncle Django님, 감사합니다.
Okay, 감사합니다. Duha na kabuok ha, ka box. Okay. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, so today is your salary fee. So for constructing our study room. Okay, so 3 days of working, 1,800 each. Kuya Leo. So, ang 200 na tagpunya na. So, 160 mo, then ang imong 200 yate na ang imong Korea. Okay, from Maktan channel.
막탄 channel. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, teachers.
Okay, so since our class is done, it's time for
Snacks.
okay, so it's time for snacks. Then earlier, Noblesse name gave us another one box of 뿌또치즈. So that is from Noblesse name.
노블레스님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
감사합니다, Noblesse name. So, enjoy eating, everyone, okay? So, you just sit down and your teachers, the assistant teachers, will distribute the 뿌또치즈.
Annyeonghaseyo. So our study room is already done constructing, and this is it. Okay. It's very nice. And this is our front yard of our study room. Maktan Life Channel. Kamsahamnida. Thank you so much.
Good evening! So, good evening everyone. Today, we have a new set of snacks. So, mauna siya ha, mga langga. So, everybody, we will say, 오간도님 감사합니다. Bye-bye!
Afternoon, Elizabeth. Bago lang ka. Karon pa ka naabot gikan school?
Yes.
Earlier, Kuya Ninyo has delivered a 1-pack 뿌또치즈 for you, given by Moltonim. Okay, what will you say?
Moltonim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. For the 뿌또치즈.
Okay. Bye-bye, Liza. Bye-bye. Good evening, class.
Good evening, Teacher Marlenda. Good evening, Teacher Loida. Good evening, classmates. Good evening.
So, it's the for today's class, so it's snack time. Who gives that snack?
보리수님!
Okay, what will we say?
보리수님 감사합니다. For the snacks. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Good evening, class. It's our closing time. It's already 8:30, so it's raining outside, so we will go home now. Okay. You already get your snack. Okay. Who gave that snack?
보리수님.
Okay, what will you say?
보리수님 감사합니다. For the snacks. Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Sir Vicky and Taisunim. Today is Wednesday, and I'm currently here at Jinlin's house. As you can see, it's already finished, and the water tank was already installed as well. It's the water tank. And then here's how it was installed. Kitchen cabinets and the faucet. It does not have water yet. Get it there. Nga to. And then for Junlin's electricity, the wires were already installed, but it's not connected yet since the papers needs to be processed at MECO. The accredited electrician who installed the wires said that it might be connected by Thursday or Friday. So by Thursday or Friday, Junlin's house will have electricity. Are you happy? Bye-bye, Junlin. Bye-bye. So, tanong ko tayo. Hi, good afternoon. So this is Iana's mother, and Iana is still at school, so her mother will be the one to receive the 1 box of puto-cheese and 500 pesos pocket money from Kids Entertainment name.
Salamat. And Saimida, Kids Entertainment name. My daughter Yana.
Bye-bye! Asam tong 500 magkita. Basig may nun nga. Bye-bye! Good evening, students!
Good evening, Teacher Ninya.
Alright, so today, Hanulsarang Nim sent us 2 boxes of puto cheese for our study room. What are you going to say to our beloved sponsor for the puto cheese? Alright, kamsamida, Hanulsarang Nim. Okay, so let's start eating. Alright. Hi. Lami. Ha?
Mama pa yung nagigito yun.
Coke and Sprite. Ashley, sing, Jaylee, smile. Smile, Ashley. Yan na. Drian, smile. Win-win. Oh.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So today, Chusung Jinim sent you 2,000 each for taking care of the classroom and for monitoring the cleanliness of the classroom.
조성진님 감사합니다.
Okay, thank you so much.
이상원님 안녕하세요. 이상원님 감사합니다 for the support. 감사합니다